everyone, this is our second vlog in Chiang Mai. So we just came back from eating at Blue Diamond Breakfast Club, and I showed you what I ate already, but we also brought back some cupcakes. If I can just grab them. So we have a carrot cake one, this one's a blueberry one, chocolate mocha, right? And a banana chocolate cupcake. And they're only like 30 baht each. 35, right? 35 baht each. So that's like, how much is that? Less than 50p. That's like 40p in British money per cupcake. And they're all vegan, so that's even better. So we made a decision on where we're going. We're gonna go to Waterfall, which is also known as the Sticky Waterfalls. Apparently the pictures don't do them justice, so we're gonna go and check them out. It's like supposedly sticky because the water doesn't actually flow down. It's kind of like clumpy. I don't even know how to describe it because I have no idea what I'm talking about. So we're just gonna go and I'm gonna show you, and I then can tell you about it from my own personal experience. Climbed the waterfall like all the way up. I decided to put like all the stuff in the bag and just climb up, and some bits are not as sticky as the sign says, and you have to really grab onto the rope and you have to like pretend you're like in an action film and you're like climbing up. This is what I went to the gym for like all year.
Are you serious?
For like that moment when you're like hanging onto the rock, you're just like, ah, and you make it. So yeah, it's been a really awesome day. I think probably my videos are not even gonna be able to show you the immense beauty that is here and how amazing it is, and the view behind me just goes on forever. It's insane, and I recommend this place totally. So we're just back in the room now. We just finished eating at the cat house, which seems to be like our favourite place so far. It is for me. The food is really good and it's really filling, and I highly recommend it. So we're home early-ish tonight. It's like 7 o'clock. We're just gonna like chill for the rest of the evening because I'm like absolutely pooped from the waterfall. I didn't realise how much the waterfall, climbing up a waterfall was actually so tiring, and we like wolfed down our food. We had like more food than we probably should have, and now we're gonna eat the cupcakes, then probably watch some TV and go to bed. So yeah, this is the end of the second day of vlogging, so I will see you again in the next video. Bye!